Okay, the number one issue that most people feel with the new Himalayan is this. Leans way too much, making this a little top heavy. And this was the first issue that people started talking about when they first got their hands on the new Himalayan, when it came out back in 2023. And up until then, up since then, people have installed a lot of things on the side stand to make it lean not so much, side stand extender, a side stand shoe, whatnot. However, there is a good news. Royal Enfield has listened to all these customer complaints and issues and feedbacks, and they've come up with a new updated side stand, which is not as bent as this one, and will make it lean not so much. I'll just go and install this. Let's begin. This is the new and updated side stand from the Royal Enfield. And this is the part number in case you want to buy this for yourself. You can get it at any authorized Royal Enfield service center or showroom, and this much it'll cost you, 3,250 rupees. Looks like this. This is, as you can see, very much straight. The bike will not lean so much, and installing this is rather an easy job. Now, to access the side stand, you'll need to first unlock these 6mm hex bolts, and be mindful that there is a small plate behind this particular hex bolt that is of 27mm. You'll need an open-ended spanner. Just place it like that, and the bolt comes off very, very quickly. There you go. Now, in order to remove this particular lock, if you see behind it, which is right here, you need something of a very specialized tool that is a Noke plier, which looks like this. You need to expand that spring so that it comes off. It fits like that, and off it comes like that. And now you need some regular pliers to just pull the pin out. And the side stand becomes free. For comparison, this is the new and updated. This was the old one. Now, what you retain from the old side stand is the sensor plate and the rubber bushing. And the main difference is definitely, as you can see, this is more bent. This is straight, and visually there is this small metal part protruding from the stand, whereas this has a small fin kind of thing. But yeah, look at the difference. See that? This is quite bent, whereas this one is very, very minimal. You open the sensor plate, and this small rubber plate can just come out. That's it, it's just a rubber thing. I'll give it a quick clean. Use a brake cleaner to clean this more effectively. Same with the sensor plate. Just use the brake cleaner generously to clean this area, because you'll be re-greasing this afterwards. Now, before putting this, I would recommend you use some Loctite so that it doesn't come loose, and just put it back nice and easy. Make sure to use some waterproof grease on the lock pin. you need to pull the side stand a little bit towards the back. You need 2 men to do that. Put the pin also back in. It goes on right there. And click. There you go. And then don't forget the rubber part, which goes on right there. Easy peasy. So that it doesn't hit the frame. Right? Easy. And as you can see, this will not be leaning that much anymore. Now all you need to do is just put the footrest back on. Just use a bit of Loctite on them. Don't mind the music that's coming out, because that is the Triumph Rocket 3 older model being tested out here. And once you have done that, just torque tight these bolts to 25 Newton meters. And now it is much more easier to pick the Himalayan from its side stand. Just put it down and it just goes on till here. This is much more accessible now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do consider hitting that like button, and if you're new to the channel and want to see more such videos, do mention your preferences on the comment section and consider hitting the subscribe icon as well. Thank you so much for your continued support. This is Sri.